All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at SPCE again, Virgin Galactic Holdings. Now this one ran out massively, okay, and we did really well, day trading that one on the way up, and took those profits and got out just in case momentum was going to die off and volume would die off. And if the amount of buyers in this volume is not going to be able to be replicated or increased, then the price is going to fall down, okay? That's just natural for it to happen. Currently, what we have is an inverse cup and handle pattern forming. All right, so what we're going to be looking for, and that pattern is, I'll zoom in a little bit more. Maybe it'll be clearer for you guys to see. Let's do something like this. All right, so, here's the inverse cup. Here's the handle. We're going to be looking for a breakout, okay? Basically from like this trend line right here, this channel, okay? It's going to be a little bit of like a bearish channel. And basically, all right, if we see SPCE on the 1 hour chart open and close below this trend line, and hold this trend line as a support, or basically like break support here, okay, and flip this as into a resistance level, then we can expect to see SPCE fall further. Okay, now I have the breakout levels for both directions on here. This thing could break out to the upside as well. All right, now we could break this channel, okay, and start trading on the upper half and try to gather momentum back up, and let's say do something like this. All right, and we come back up. All right, we would have to break these pre-market highs right here of 1128 for us to make further highs, right? Because otherwise, if we do happen to break this this channel and go bullish today, we're just going to form a double top and possibly an M pattern. Okay, so if we come up here and get rejected at these pre-market highs, then the stock most likely is going to fall back down, and we could fall all the way back down to here to form a nice M pattern where we go like this. All right, so that's basically what I'm looking for today. And if we do break out past here, then I would wait to enter any call options or bullish positions. Just to see where it goes. So you want to see it trading above here, not just wicking and on it on small time frames. So yeah, that's basically it. Just an update on SPCE. Let me know if you guys have any videos you want me to make or stocks you want me to make a video on. I can analyze them for you. We trade a lot of stocks in the Discord, and we trade the indexes every day, the SPY, NASDAQ, QQQ, things like that. So we're always on it. I'm here for you guys every day, and don't forget to join the Discord. Okay, link to join is in the description. If you use code Zachly, you'll get a discount on your membership, right?